13. My daughter turns 13 years old tomorrow. A teenager. I am not old enough to have a teenager. Not old enough to have a kid who's going to be a senior in high school. Not going to be, who is a senior in high school. 13 and almost 18. Wow. Well, tonight in the shop, my wife has tasked me with making a backdrop for a screen to go on. We are going to have a birthday party, and the wife wants to be able to show movies on said screen. So she bought this fabric from Amazon, and now I've got to build a frame to mount said screen on, build a backer for the screen to go on. So I've got to do that tonight. It will not be complicated joinery. It will be here's a pre-drilled hole, screw some screws in it, put the screen on it, and let's see what I can come up with. And then I'm also going to make some stuff that my daughter and her friends are going to be putting together, a little arts and crafts project. My daughter is infatuated with all things Disney. That Castles and Dreams thing that I did, that's actually for her. She's going to open that tomorrow night. And we are also going to be making these very stylized fonts, which you'll see the font when you see it and you'll realize what it is. And the kids that are coming to the party, we're going to have them their names, and then it's going to have a backer that these are going to be attached to. So we're going to let the kids paint them, make them all prettified, and make it however 13-year-olds are going to paint it, and then we'll have some glue and we'll attach it to the backer, and then each kid will be able to take theirs to their house. So first, let me see if I can make a backer for the screen, and then secondly, let me see if I can make these party gifts. Yeah, these party favors, party gifts that the kids get to do. A little personalized touch for the kiddo's 13th birthday. So let me see if I can get a screen made. 9 feet by 6 feet. It's a thing of beauty. So pocket hole joinery is where it's at. If you don't have a Craig jig, I highly recommend you get a Craig jig. It is where it's at. So this is just some lumber I got at the big box store, primed pine, and I just cut it. This is 9 feet by 6 feet, a couple 45s here to hold the joints together. It's only holding up a piece of fabric, so I didn't go bananas with all the joinery. I did add some 2x4s to the back. That way I could attach the legs that are keeping everything nice and tall. And so if I could do this again, what I would have done is I would have added on the bottom right here, I would have added another 1x just so I could attach the bottom of the screen. I guess I could go back and I could add a piece going up, just enough to pull these down. But the cool thing about the screen is the way it's set up, you're not gonna, like, the image will go from like here to here, down, and then cut it up. So we'll have the projector right around here going that direction. Now our game plan is to take this out to the pool and set it up. We thought it would be, and I'll walk back here so you guys can see this. We thought it would be kind of cool if we could go in the backyard and have the pool going, the kids in the pool, and then maybe have the screen over here on this one. I know it's like pitch black out here, you guys can't really see, but maybe have the screen up here in this area, kids in said pool, and then they could play in the pool while watching said movie. The pool's heated and it feels fantastic. It's like 95 degrees in here right now, which sounds hot, but once you're in the cold air and you get in there, it's kind of fantastic. So anyway, the weather looks like it's gonna rain, so who knows what's gonna happen. So worst case scenario, we can just take this screen and put it in the garage like it is and just let the kids play out here. I even told the missus, I said, why don't we just take this and put it inside the house? We can just put it in the living room in front of the fireplace and then just show movies from there on the inside, because at least the air will be conditioned, because it's a little muggy in here. And when you throw 5 13-year-olds in here, forget it. It's gonna be, and loud, oh my God. It's gonna be screaming loud in here, but I'll probably be spending a lot of the time tomorrow in the shop after building said thing. I'll probably be spending time in, not in here, but probably in my happy place over here in the garage, the shop, excuse me, the shop. So, all right, now I gotta make some Disney stuff. Not Disney stuff, I've gotta make some things that have a very unique font to it, if you know what I'm saying. That's pretty stinking cool. I'm very happy with how that turned out. I mean, the fact that the kids can paint, and that's etched in there. That way the kids can see exactly where to put it. Even after they paint it, they're still gonna be able to see that, or at least I think they will. I guess it depends on how much paint they slop on there. But that's pretty cool, boys and girls. I'm definitely digging this. This could be the kind of thing where we could offer this up. You could do a little arts and crafts, customized arts and crafts with like your next kid's birthday party. which could be kind of cool. I mean, this is gonna be really simple. They paint it and then just take a little bit of Type Bond, the original wood glue. This is what I use. You can use probably anything because it's not like these weigh a lot. It's not like it's gonna be structural. It just has to adhere. So anyway, I don't know. We'll see how it's going. Oh, and I gotta show you one more thing. Check this out. The wife got the, she got, check this out. She got the projector. This is like some like $50 projector off of Amazon. That's not too shabby. That's not too bad. I mean, let me turn this light off. I mean, for 50 bucks for that projector, that's not too bad. That's not too shabby. I mean, that's a pretty big screen. The projector's not the greatest in the world, but you get the idea. All right, thanks boys and girls for joining us today. I really appreciate you guys joining me in the garage. I have worn myself out after teaching all day and then running a small child to and from dance class and picking up some supplies at the big box store, coming home and making all the stuff, fixing the kids some dinner. It's been kind of a crazy day, but tomorrow's Friday. It'll be a good day. Appreciate you guys being here and we'll see you soon. Peace.